Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. How are you doing today? I hope that you all are doing great and I am also well by the grace of Almighty God. Well, my Eid vacation almost comes to end. Maybe it's my last day in my uncle's home. Maybe tomorrow I will go to my city. I live in Naranganj. So, but my uncles actually forced me to stay one more day here. But I wanted to go tomorrow in my city in Naranganj, but let's see what happened. But I'm not sure is this a last day or not. But the nature is eternal here. Just look at this, really amazing. Well, now me and my two cousins, we are going to a local shop. Most of the time most of the day in the afternoon time, we go to a local chotpuri shop, and then we eat chotpuri or fuska, like something that, and then we spend our time in these beautiful places. We are gossiping, chatting each other, and then we return home in the evening. So it's really amazing. To be honest, I'm spending a great time. I'm gathering experiences as well. So overall, it's really a very beautiful place and beautiful environment, and I'm having a very good time. So, well, if I try to show you, there is my two cousins. They are walking in front of me. Sorry, I need to overcome these kinds of silly mistakes. Well, if I stay here and then try to speak something, well, that's the land. I showed the environment in my previous videos, so I don't need to tell a lot of things about this. But there is a big roads over there. A woman and his daughter, maybe no son, actually walking here. They are actually coming here. Okay. Okay, my cousin's calling me. I have to be go now. Okay, so I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. All the best.